Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're dealing with Wassce 2019 Mathematics Objective Test Question 4. Simplify correct to three significant figures. 27.63 raised to the power of 2, that's 27.63 squared, minus 12.37 squared. Now the answer is here we should simplify correct to three significant figures. So now the first thing we do is to simplify. First we simplify. Now 27.63 squared minus 12.37 squared. Now 27.63 squared, you punch it in your calculator. 27.63 multiplied by 27.63, and that's what it means. And that will give you 736.4169 minus 12.37 squared. Now 12.37 squared is the same thing as 12.37 multiplied by 12.37, which is 153.0169. And when you subtract 153.0169 from 763,000 .4169, you get 610.4. Now 610.4 is what you get. Now the question is telling you to simplify it correct to three significant figures. Now significant figures refers to all the digits starting from what? The first non-zero digit. Now all the digits, now you are asked for three significant figures. So the three significant figures starting from the first non-zero digit. Now 6 is the first non-zero digit, 2, 1 is the second, and 0 is the third. So now we have 0.4. You are asked to find correct to three significant figures. So the 4 now will have to be what? Approximated to suit the three significant figure which you are looking for. Now 4, when you are approximating, all values from 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 will be rounded down. Then from 5 to 9 will be rounded up. So now this is actually 4, so it will be rounded down, meaning what? 610 will remain 610. That's three significant figures. Now if it were 5 here, it will be rounded up, and then you have something like 611. But since it is 4, you are having 610, and this is your correct answer. Correct to three significant figures. When you are given a question like this, as you notice, you write down all the values. You don't approximate. You write down the whole values you got. Now it is after you've collected your values that you do what? That you round it off to the number of significant figures you are given, like I did here. So the answer to this particular question is D, 610. So if you solve this question and round it off to three significant figures, it will be 610. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.